shopping network. But wait, buy a t-shirt, get your t-shirt.
Actually, if you buy a t-shirt, you get another t-shirt for free.
He's lying, you just get your one t-shirt.
No, I have to be careful with what I say. We give away one t-shirt.
No disturbance.
Is it working?
One. Perfect.
Hey, do you have your notifications turned off this time, Jerry?
I did. No
Wow, proud of him.
That would be actually kind of hilarious.
It happened last time.
Did it?
It was like,
Were people calling it out? Because Kirk noticed it.
Are you good?
Yeah, but my sound connected, but it's not connected.
I don't know what that means. What am I supposed to do with that information?
I think we all just need to buy Google Pixels is the conclusion we come to.
we have gas here. We have
And we are securely connected.
waiting.
Oh, baby.
Get the idea.
What is up, Facebook? Is Instagram up or not yet? You can put that. Okay, never mind.
You let us know when you're ready. How does
Yeah.
that sound?
Oh, great. Why did your girl stop
Can you
It's
get
because
to work and
Customers
stop
follows me. Just go live.
IG.
killing me, Smalls?
What up, Facebook?
We're live on Facebook. We're waiting on Instagram.
Yes.
The synopsis.
Facebook. First person to guess where we are right now, we're gonna get you a sticker pack.
If you can guess.
If you can guess, they might. And we'll see.
I mean, there's lots of fire trucks in the world.
We
You can narrow it down.
They could be in Abu Dhabi.
That would be enjoyable. We will give you a clue. It rhymes.
Nope. Don't even.
No. Okay, we'll give you an actual clue. It's in Wisconsin.
There you go.
Oh,
How's
Darrell
that?
Riley, Pierce Factory.
Dang.
He's good. So write him down at the bottom, Eric, below everything else,
And then gear pack it up.
and then red gear pack.
Cool. Awesome.
I think Darrell's been here for every single one of our giveaways, so he
That's
knows what's
awesome.
up.
What's up, Darrell? That's pretty cool.
It's got the guy with the big orange thing.
Tacoma T100, whatever it is.
Something like that.
It's
That's
awesome.
cool.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
Is
Just
Instagram
waiting.
up?
No, my phone keeps freezing every time I try to go live.
Killing me small. Killing me.
Did you have your eggs out of the app and tried going back in?
Have you tried turning it off and back on?
Let's try.
Holla.
Just
Let's
wait
try with
another,
this.
See if you can go live.
I know I can't because I don't have the internet.
Live. Start live video. Checking
I'm sorry.
connection.
That wasn't directed at you. It was
Checking
just weird.
connection. Checking connection. Mine might work. Let's see if we can get it working.
Hey, we're up to 76.
Oh, that's pretty cool. What's going on, guys?
Just waiting on Instagram here, maybe.
Now my phone is not what turned on.
Cobb has a broken phone.
Oh,
Oh, we got the apple.
still waiting. So we're just waiting a little bit here before we get started into the actual live giveaway for the Scorpion wheels. We have Cobber over here just looking to get us live on Instagram because we do have an active Instagram. It's just not being used at this time. We'll get there.
But for those of you who don't know, we are here for the Scorpion freewheel giveaway. So we got some of them here, some of their new styles, some of their popular finishes.
Which one is their most popular one?
It's the ones with the red milling, basically all the
So-
red milling.
All the red millings
So
are
all
the
of
most
them?
popular.
So that would
yeah.
be one of the most popular right there.
These are some of their newer ones. So they one of their older ones,
Yeah.
the SC10, I think it is one of their most popular.
Sure.
It was one of their first 14 wides to come out that really hit the market and everyone started picking it up.
That's super cool.
We are live.
Instagram is live.
It says we are.
Oh,
Do the comments coming in?
Lord.
Instagram. Comment where you're from.
It's still waiting. It says we're live.
Oh.
but it's
Oh.
that means that we're not live. It's not even close.
Come on, Instagram. You can do it.
a lot closer.
Oh.
Oh, man. Oh.
This is awesome. This is going to be a great time. Once we're live.
Got it. What's up,
We got it.
guys? Scorpion freewheel giveaway happening right now at, did they guess? Yeah, they did guess,
They
right?
already guessed. He was the first
We're
one
at
to guess.
Pierce Manufacturing
Manufacturing.
in Appleton. So if you guys don't know, Wisconsin.
Yeah, you got to
guys-
clarify. Nobody knows where Appleton is.
We're in Appleton, Wisconsin.
Yes, thank you. Because
Way
there's
up
like
north.
Yeah, up north.
And it's
next-
75 degrees today, and it's awesome because it was 55 yesterday. So
Yeah,
it's a
and we've
good
had
day.
sleeting rain the last couple days, and it's been a really good time. I mean, if you enjoy that sort of thing. Otherwise, it's been absolutely terrible. Do
Yeah.
you introduce yourself in the giveaways, or does
I
everybody
can.
just know
For those of you who they do know me. So those
Do
of
they?
you who
Oh.
don't know, I am Junior with Custom Offsets. We're here at Pierce Manufacturing in Appleton. We have a guest today, someone you may have not seen
What's
before.
going on,
maybe.
guys? Yeah, I'm Alex from Custom Offsets and truck stuff. I'm
Yeah.
excited. It's going to be a good time, actually. Yeah, guest star.
So for those of you who don't know, Pierce basically manufactures and makes, that's the same word, isn't it? These fancy
Yep.
things. These
And what are those things called?
beautiful beings. Fire trucks. So they build all these right here in Appleton, Wisconsin. It's pretty cool to see in person. These things are gorgeous. They are super meticulous. We were here last year with them as well, so super cool to be back partnering with them. We also, as part of all of this, did the stair climb by Pierce, which is at Lambeau Field. We climbed like 110 flights of stairs. That was
How'd you do?
super okay at best.
Yeah, that's a tough thing. There's a lot of people out there
Yeah.
that do that, but that's a lot harder than I think what people make it out to be. It's not just going up and down stairs. I mean, that gets heavy.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. So we did that with Pierce through that, and we were there as well as for that as custom offsets. But yeah, so who's ready for us to start giving away some stuff? There's a 30-second delay, so you got to like wait 30 seconds, and then you'll get answers.
Oh,
so
okay.
like, who wants us to give away some stuff? It's gonna be 30 seconds, and
Sure,
it'll be like,
sure.
me.
That makes sense. How many views are we at? What's our live?
91.
91. Should we
Cobb,
ask
are we
them?
getting comments on Instagram?
Should we ask them to share the live stream? I feel like we should ask them to share.
They hear us.
We got like 27, 22. It's fluctuating.
Okay.
Sure. Should we ask them
Yeah.
to share it? So if you guys want to win some of this stuff, we'll be doing a couple questions here and there for some giveaway items. So feel free to share this live stream with your friends so that they can come check out all the stuff that we're giving away, and then of course the actual Scorpion wheel giveaway, because then if you get to see your friend pick up some free wheels, then you're going to get super jealous, so then you're going to partake in the next month's giveaway probably, or 2 months from now.
Yep.
Because that's just how everybody does it. It's like when the guy wins 80-80
And everyone else
now
is like,
everybody
hey, I
else
wanna
wants to be a part of it
Exactly.
now too. So be sure to share with your friends, get your friends involved so that we can start giving away some stuff, and we'll have that started shortly.
Yeah, so let's explain this real quick. For those of you who are just tuning in, who haven't heard about this, I don't know where you've been. We've been doing this all month long. So we partnered with Scorpion Offroad, made these t-shirts. This guy right here. Kind of a commemorative firefighter t-shirt. So it's got the logo on the front, Scorpion on the side, custom offsets on the side, then the big graphic on the back. And basically is one of the ways to enter to win these free Scorpion wheels, pick up one of these tees here. And that is what this bucket is full of. So every single person who got one of these tees is in here, entered to win a free set of any size, any finish in stock Scorpion wheels.
Which is a pretty good gig. I mean,
Yeah.
it's one shirt, and you get to help out with the fallen firefighters. I mean, it's
And like these shirts are like form fitted, they
They're
fit
very
nice.
nice.
They're not just like a big boxy tee, so it's like they feel good, they're soft.
Yeah.
Everyone loves them. We love them because we wear them every single
Yeah,
day.
we
So
have to. It's
we give you
awesome.
guys the best because what we wear.
nobody would want to wear. Yeah, no.
Nope.
We decided to upgrade a lot of our apparel, and we do have new apparel coming up for
That's
custom
true.
offsets too. So if you guys haven't heard yet, we got a whole bunch of new stuff coming up for custom offsets. so.
Memorabilia, merchandise.
Yeah,
whatever it's called.
merchandise, I guess what we call it. So if you enjoy
Secret
making
stuff.
your friends angry and enjoy wearing some fun shirts and stuff like that, be sure to check out the
Or if
custom
you got
offsets.
someone you're looking to get something for Christmas.
Yeah, that's coming up. I can't believe that's coming up. Like, we're talking
There's not even. I don't even.
Thanksgiving.
I'm not saying yes
and
word.
then after
No snow.
Thanksgiving, it's not even like a month. You got the holidays coming up.
No
you got
thanks.
free wheels to give away,
Lots of free wheels.
T-shirts.
All right, should we get into it then? So
Yeah.
ask some questions.
Okay, so the first one we're going to do is a question
For Facebook.
for Facebook. So Facebook, we're looking for an answer.
Instagram, you're next.
How many different models of wheels does Scorpion currently have? I feel like it's a good one to start it off with.
Yeah.
The finishes, mod.
How
Yeah,
many
how
models?
many models? Finishes would be weird, but models. Who would say?
Well, Scorpion has a lot of finishes though. So they've
Do
got
they?
their black and milled, they've got their chrome, they've got
Yeah,
their
and then they
black
got the
and red
red.
milled. They have a red wheel with milling and then a blue wheel
wheel?
with milling too. So
I like the red milling.
yeah,
I think that's
it's
really
super
killer,
sexy.
in my opinion.
How many models of wheels does Scorpion have, Facebook?
And if you're wondering on where you can get the
Start shouting,
information,
12,
Less than 12,
37,
less
Whoa.
than 37,
34,
less than 34,
12,
less than 12,
8,
more than 8,
18,
less than 18,
18,
not
nope,
even. Not even close.
less than 12,
19,
less than 19,
I'll just wait. I mean,
7,
more than 8,
9,
more than 9.
9,
We're getting there. There's only two other. There's only two other numbers left.
We didn't tell them what they're winning.
10,
Doesn't matter. We'll tell them at the end.
They need to know what they're winning. The people want to know.
Well, I mean, if they don't know, that's what.
Whoever guesses this right is winning a custom offsets gear pack. We got a tee for you. We got a koozie for you. We got a sticker for you. We got a drawstring baggie for you.
Whiteman with 11.
Brook Whiteman.
Yeah, there we go.
11. Scorpion has 11 wheel models at this time. I'm sure at SEMA this year when we go there and check out their booth and their luxury suite that they've got, they're going to be showing us a lot more of their new stuff coming out. But as of right now, they've got 11 styles, 11 models on the market.
Cool.
Now please know someone's going to argue that I see him.
Oh, yeah. So it's as Jerry, the guy behind the camera, and Cobb, the guy behind the camera, as they see the answer, that's what we're going with. The first one we see is who we are picking. It's not, you might see it differently than we see it. It's as we see it, we're picking you.
Mark
Sorry.
Zuckerberg, he just does things. We don't know why. It's the first one we see.
Illuminati.
Yeah, I mean,
Confirmed.
it's what it is. So we leave this here?
Yep.
You good with that there?
Alrighty.
Cool. Congratulations.
So what's next? Hat and stickers?
Yeah, let me hold that. You can pick the next one. Let's do the hat and stickers.
Okay, so next we got hat and stickers. This one is, we're picking from the bowl. The bowl is everybody who picked up a tee, everybody who entered to win the Scorpion Wheel Giveaway. We're going to pick your name, write it down, and your name is going to go right back in here because you're still going to be entered to win the Scorpion Wheels as well.
Very cool.
We don't want to.
That would be really unfortunate.
Yeah.
You won a sticker. You didn't get the wheels, though.
So
No.
this is not for the wheels. This is just for the hat and stickers. Noah Engelhart. You want to check that quick? No, don't show the camera.
Shit. How do you get your stuff?
Oh, so Facebook and Instagram. For you, those of you watching, whoever is picked live, you need to email ship, SHIP, at customoffsets.com with your size. If it's a t-shirt, we need your size, we need your name, and we need your address. I'll get that shipped out to you. Ship at customoffsets.com. Instagram, Facebook. Give me a thumbs up if you heard that, okay? Good? Here, I'll take that back then, Eric. Put it right back in the bowl.
There you go.
Ask another question. Let's go to Instagram this time. Instagram, you ready?
So today's question for Instagram, yep, let's do that giveaway. You tell me what that is.
So this is the Custom Offsets Lifestyle Tee
With,
with the Custom Offsets 24-inch decal.
because you can't have one without the other.
Exactly.
You got to have both.
It's got cool sleeve graphics.
And it's the same quality as the shirts that we're wearing right now.
Yep.
So it's not that basic tee. It's just a nice multi-printed. It's not a truck. It's a lifestyle tee. So definitely a killer.
Yep.
Probably one of our favorites,
Yeah,
I think. It's very,
I'd say so.
definitely a good one. So for the Instagram, today's question for you guys is what nonprofit did we pair up with for this month's giveaway? So first one that we see in the comments section. So the question is what nonprofit did we pair up with for this month's giveaway?
How much should we raise? Jerry, how much should we raise?
2,100.
2100.
So
Oh, very cool.
for those of you wondering, for this charity that we're waiting for Instagram to answer on, we've all raised $2,100 for them, which is pretty
That's
cool.
very cool.
So
That's very cool.
Got Chaseozbun.
Chase, what is it?
Fallen Fire.
Yep.
Yep.
So the National Fallen Firefighter Foundation is who we're donating this to. So at the end of this, we're going to be donating to them. Congrats. You won the Truck Lifestyle tee and sticker.
And again, in case you missed it, you got to send us your name, your address, and your t-shirt size to ship at customoffsets.com. So that's SHIP, like what Captain Jack Sparrow was rolling around in for 3 movies. That's what you need to send it to. So in case you're wondering where that goes, otherwise you won't get your t-shirt, and it's a sad time for everybody. Deal?
Yep.
On
Okay.
to the next one.
Yep. You get to pick this one.
Ooh!
So this is for the Custom Offsets class. Here, let's show them first. Show
Yeah,
the
we
people.
get really excited. I just like picking stuff out of bowls.
Custom Offsets Classic Tee. This is coming from the bowl, which is everybody who entered to win the wheels. If we pick your name, you'll be right back in the bowl. No need to worry. So just a classic Custom Offsets logo tee and then a 24-inch CO decal as well.
Very cool. All right. I'm excited. Let's see. All right, so this winner is James Halston. James Halston, congratulations, James W. You got the shirt and the 24-inch Custom Offsets decal. So again, be sure to reach out to us at ship@customoffsets.com. We don't want to forget that part.
One last question.
That's up to you. You asked the question. This
Okay.
is you.
So, what is the city and state that the Custom Offsets headquarters are located in? Yeah. First one we see. Battle to the death.
It's the combination of Jerry and Cobb.
Yeah. Who can read faster?
Job.
Jerry or what? Bro Beans.
That's awesome. Instagram's the winner. What did they win? They didn't even know, but they
Oh,
participated.
you didn't know, but you won a shine kit. So basically, this is our back to black new rubber tire shine. It's not gonna leave them greasy and gross and flinging crap all over your truck. It's amazing. It leaves your tires looking brand new. Either floss gloss or the painted wheel kit. You're gonna need to email us, ship@customoffsets.com, like pirate ship, but just ship. Don't add
It's a
pirate.
great analogy, I believe.
Ship@customoffsets.com. And we will get you either the painted kit or the polished kit, depending on what wheels you have. But this is the floss gloss. This is for polished wheels then, polished in chrome. And then Dirty Lip wheel shampoos. This is for all wheels. You can even use this on your truck, which is kind of a secret that we don't tell people. You can use it on your truck too. It's just a wheel shampoo to clean your wheels, clean your truck if you want as well. And then microfiber as well. So email ship@customoffsets.com. Let us know if you want the painted or polished wheel shine kit, and we'll get that out to you.
Absolutely. Is it time yet? Is it time?
Who's ready for some Scorpion wheels?
Oh, we need to introduce,
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we need a special guest. If you could.
So
It'll be super easy. It'll be super easy. She said she'll walk out the door.
what's your name? What's your name? Oh,
Yeah, see?
I was gonna ask the people. Alrighty, so it's gonna be super easy. This is Catlin. She works here at Pierce. She is not associated with us at all and didn't know us until about 20 minutes ago. And she will be picking the winner of the free Scorpion wheels, any size, any finish in stock.
You can't mess this up, though.
You can't look
mess this
either.
up. You can't look either. You can hand it, but don't.
What's that? Oh, hang on now. Time out. Thank you.
Oh, we almost
All right,
lost
now
one.
we're ready. Shake that up. All right. So just one name. This is the winner of our free Scorpion wheels.
All right.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Jared?
Oh boy, I can't pronounce that. Thomas Lazati?
Thomas Lazat.
Is it?
Either way, I mean, he's going to be happy he won. I don't
Yeah.
think it matters about the last name. So Thomas.
And we have your email, so if you are going to pretend that your name's Thomas and you won, we already know who won, so good try.
Don't be one of those guys.
We will get that written
Congratulations,
down.
Thomas, on winning
Yeah.
your free set of Scorpion wheels, which is absolutely killer. You also helped out donate to an amazing cause, which is super cool. You want to
Yeah.
tell them a little bit about like how you broke it up or what we're doing with the donation or anything like that?
Yeah, so basically,
Yep.
yeah, so what we did with our donation is we sponsored 4 different stair climbs throughout the United States. The one in Green Bay that we were at Lambeau Field, and then there was one in West Virginia, Missouri, and California. So kind of all over the United States, we donated to them and their cause then with our charity donation, basically, that all of you guys helped us raise to give back. So super cool,
Yeah.
super supportive towards all the firefighters out there, everything post 9/11 as well.
Yeah.
So
Thank you guys so much for participating as well. This is absolutely
Yeah.
awesome to be a part of. These are definitely cool shirts. We definitely appreciate you guys coming out and picking up a t-shirt and help supporting both the donation and trying to win yourself a free set of Scorpion wheels.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Thomas for actually taking home the cake. That's pretty
Yeah.
awesome. So we're all set to go?
I think that's it. So that's it for this one. Every month we'll be back with more. So just if you're not following us on social media, Instagram is at Custom Offsets. Facebook is facebook.com/custom offsets. Snapchat is Custom Offsets TM. YouTube is youtube.com/custom offsets TV. So,
Yeah. So
we're
if you
posting like almost every day.
And if you guys want to stay up to date with the next big thing that we're doing, because we're getting bigger and better every sort of
Huge.
month, it seems like,
Yep.
go on onto YouTube and subscribe to Custom Offsets, because you're going to be able to see all the videos that they're posting every single day. And you're going to see that there's a lot of stuff that we actually end up partnering with different companies, different wheel companies, suspension companies. We're doing all sorts of crazy stuff to kind of help give back to the community. So if you want to know what's going on, be the first one to know, hop on over to YouTube, subscribe so we can get you out there, get you some content.
Yeah.
Cool?
Thanks to Scorpion. Thanks to Pierce for having us again. That's all we got for you.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll see
Peace.
you later. Peace.